Hello guys, this is a Zhiyun stabilizer gimbal. It is a Smooth Q3. It has a problem with the LED blinking, 4 LED slowly blinking. If I press the power button here, push and hold, and it's showing 4 LEDs blinking like this. There are two types of these 4 LEDs blinking. The first one is slowly blinking. This is the fast blinking. It's showing that there is no connection to the contact. I will show you the contact points. And another thing is slowly blinking for the all 4 LEDs. For this 4 blinking problem is you can see here. Maybe I should turn off first. Okay, after turn off, as you can see, this is a vertical arm. We can loosen the screws here. If you can see, there are 6 points there inside. That is the contact point. The quick blinking, it's showing the contact point is not in the correct position. I will show you. We slide up like this until we hear the click sound, like that, and then we tighten the screws. We press the power button behind. Okay, now we are in the good position, and now we see this slowly blinking 4 LEDs. It means standby mode. You can turn off the device. Okay, now it's off, and you can see there are 3 motor here. This is for the pan axis rotation motor. This one is for tilt axis, and this one is for the roll axis rotation. So for the first time, we need to make sure that the contact point is clean. Usually I make a cleaning for the pin with a WD-40 or others oil lubricant. Make sure this 6 contact point is clean, no water, no dust, no nothing. And make sure slide the vertical arm until you hear the click sound, like this, and we tighten the screws. And here we need to adjust the tilt axis rotation manually, clockwise, like this, until it stops at the lock buckle here. So clockwise manually, like this, clockwise. The roll axis also we need to rotate manually clockwise before we turn on the device, like this, clockwise. The pan axis also clockwise until it stops. Okay, then we can turn on the device. Press the power button 3 seconds. LED blinking, and it is ready to stabilize. Okay, let's repeat again. First, make sure the contact pin is connected. All 6 pin are connected. Sliding up, tighten, make it clockwise like this until you meet the lock buckle here. You need to rotate this clockwise. Also, this for the pan axis, rotate clockwise, and then we turn on again. The lights coming up. Okay, See, it will automatically enter the standby mode again if there is no phone here. So I will turn off the device, then I will put my phones here. For example, here. Make sure it is balanced. Okay, I think we have in the balanced position, and we repeat the step. Manually rotate the tilt axis to the clockwise position. Also this one clockwise, the roll position. Okay, and the span axis also in the clockwise position, like that. And we can now turn on the power button. Press 3 seconds until blinking, like that. Okay, now we have a steady Smooth Q3 working. So you can press the mode button to choose which mode that you want to choose. Double press the trigger button in the behind, double for reset the position, and triple click trigger button to rotate vertical or horizontal position. 1, 2, 3, like that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we fix the 4 LED slowly blinking. It means it is a standby mode. We need to manually position the tilt and roll axis, and also we need to balance our phones. We need to put a phone here, so the device will detect there is a phone in your stabilizer. Okay guys, I hope this is help. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this video. It will support me for making other videos in the future. Thank you very much. Terima kasih and bye bye.